intense infatuation with another person. Limerence. Happy accidents or pleasant surprises. Serendipity. The scent of rain on dry earth. Petrichor. Too great to be expressed in words. Ineffable. Lasting a very short time. Ephemeral. Sweet and musical to the ear. Mellifluous. Longing for a lost home. Heareth. Realizing everyone and has a complex life. Sonder.